Good morning guys, this is John from Boston Car Detailing, and in today's video I want to make an update with the Range Rover Evoque. The car is ready now. I did exterior detailing, engine detailing, decontamination, chemical and mechanically the decontamination with the clay bar. I did a single stage machine polishing and 3 years ceramic coating. And now I'm gonna turn the camera for you so you will see the car and you will see the final results. Yep. So this is the way the car looks now. If you didn't see the first video with before, you can go into my account and you can see the before video. So the car was full with swirl marks, oxidation, fine scratches, and now it's glossy and shiny and protected for many years to come. With proper maintenance, the look is gonna keep this way. Let's move a bit slower so you can see. This filler was really bad. This one is. Let me open the bonnet for you so you will see the engine. This is how the engine looks. This headlight was really scratched. I tried my best without damaging even more. This bumper was really bad as well. Again, to be able to remove more scratches, I'll need to sand this. So the owner doesn't want me to sand, but I think this is decent. The way it used to look. Now it's not 10, but that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Cheers.